Brave is a fantastic privacy-first alternative to Chrome, and it's no surprise that so many people have made the switch. But, and you've probably heard this, there's this one common feeling that comes up over and over again.
And yeah, that quote really hits the nail on the head. Right out of the box, Brave can feel kind of cluttered with features you might never even use. If you've ever felt that way, trust me, you are not alone. But hey, the good news is, we can totally fix that.
All right, so let's just dive right in. What we're going to do today is walk through a super clear, actionable guide to strip Brave down to its bare essentials. The goal is to create a minimalist, focused experience that actually works for you. Okay, first things first, we're going to start with the most visible part of the browser, the new tab page. This is where we can get some really quick wins and feel that immediate satisfaction. This is actually super straightforward. First, just hit that Customize button you see in the bottom right corner. Now, the biggest win here, for real, is disabling sponsored images. Then, instead of turning off all the little individual cards, just hit that main toggle to switch them all off. It's way more future-proof. And finally, for Brave news, here's a little quirk you gotta know about. You have to actually scroll down the page and click to dismiss it from there. And boom, just like that, most of the clutter is gone. Okay, so what's left? This part's really a matter of personal taste. I mean, do you actually use the Brave stats or the top sites? If you want a truly minimal look, you can turn all of this off in that same customized menu. Personally, I switch them off because I just go straight to the address bar to type whatever I need. But hey, the choice is totally yours. All right, the new tab page is looking super clean. Now let's move on to the toolbars. We're going to tackle all those icons and bars that frame your window and keep this cleanup going. And you're going to love how simple this next part is. You don't have to go digging through a bunch of menus for most of the stuff. A quick right-click and hide is all it takes. Okay, so here are the usual suspects. If you're not using the crypto rewards or the wallet or the Brave VPN or even the Leo AI assistant, just right-click and hide them. It instantly tidies up the top right of your browser. So what about that bookmarks bar? If you like a cleaner look and you're more of a keyboard shortcut person, like Control-D or Command-D to save a bookmark, you can just hide it completely. All you do is right-click on it and set it to Never Show. Okay, so the surface level stuff is done. It's already looking way cleaner. Now we're going to dive deep into the actual settings menu to really take full control and lock in this minimalist setup. We're going to hit 4 key areas here. We'll tweak the appearance, seriously ramp up our privacy and shields, turn off the Web3 features if you don't need them, and disable the built-in autofill, which, let's be honest, a lot of us use a dedicated password manager for anyway, right? Okay, this next one is a big one. Head over to the shield settings. We're going to switch the tracker blocking from standard to aggressive for a lot more privacy. You can also hide that little number that counts blocked items. And this is where the magic happens. Seriously, enable the fanboy and UBO annoyances lists. This will automatically get rid of most of those annoying cookie pop-ups and other junk on websites. Just doing that, it's a total game changer. All right, next up is the Web3 section. Look, if you're not into the whole crypto thing, you can safely turn all of this off. Just set the wallet fallbacks to no fallback and disable all those different name services. It's one of those set it and forget it things that just ensures none of that stuff gets in your way. Okay, so we've been all about the desktop so far, but you want that same clean, consistent experience on your phone, right? So let's see how we can apply these exact same ideas to the Brave mobile app. A lot of this is going to feel really familiar. Turning off sponsored images, hiding the rewards icon, it's pretty much the same. But there are some cool mobile-only tweaks, like customizing your shortcuts in My Actions, or, and this is great for big phones, moving the URL bar to the bottom for way easier access. So let's break down the biggest wins on mobile. You're going to want to hide that rewards icon, switch to default background images on the new tab page, and clean out any of those My Actions shortcuts you don't use. I'd also recommend turning off browser suggestions for a cleaner address bar, and yeah, just like on desktop, I'd say turn off the built-in password manager if you're already using a different app. So after all that, what are we left with? Well, it's not just about removing stuff, right? It's about crafting a tool that is perfectly suited to how you actually work. And that's really the whole point here. You've basically taken this one-size-fits-all browser and turned it into something that's totally bespoke. It's faster, it's cleaner, and it's free of all those distractions. It is your browser, built on your rules. Which kind of brings us to the final thought. When you get rid of all that digital clutter, you're making space to actually focus and get things done. So the real question isn't just about how you changed your browser, it's about what you're going to do now with a cleaner, more focused web.